Good morning, everyone. Today we will start Unit 5, which is Regulation and Cross-Drainage Works, Waterlogging and Land Reclamation. Regulation works. Canal falls. A canal falls, as shown below, or drop is a masonry structure constructed at a point where the bed level of the canal is to be lowered. Necessity of canal falls when the slope of the ground is suddenly changed to steeper slope. The permissible bed slope cannot be maintained. It requires excessive earthwork and filling to maintain the slope. In such case, canal falls are provided to avoid excessive earthwork is filling. Usually, the bed slope of the canal is flatter than the general ground slope in longitudinal direction. Location of canal falls. On the downstream of the point where the canal bed level and ground level are equal, the bed will be banking. The height of the banking keeps on increasing. A canal is high. Banking poses problems like heavy seepage, settlement cracks, etc. Hence, it is necessary to lower down the bed. This lowering is achieved by the canal falls. Fall can be easily combined with a cross regulator or a road bridge. This figure is the location of canal fall. There are various types of canal falls. Falls are classified on different bases. Controlling upstream water level in three classes. Number 1, falls that maintain normal depth discharge relationship. Number 2, fixed upstream water level, and number 3, variable upstream water level. Important shape characteristics as vertical drop, glacis, stepped, and others, well, chute or rapid, flume or non-flume, metering or non-metering. Regulators. Canal regulation works are the structures constructed to regulate one or more of the canal parameters like discharge, velocity, etc. The types of regulators are head regulator, to regulate discharge entering from one canal into another canal along with proportional quantity of silt. Cross regulator to maintain necessary depth on its mainstream irrespective of the discharge flowing in the canal so that the taking of canal can drain its full supply discharge or close the canal on the downstream. Falls to regulate bed gradient and hence the velocity of flow. Escapes to divert the entire canal discharge to waste when the canal on downstreams is to be closed. Outlets to regulate discharge entering a farm. Silt ejector to eject the silt that has entered into a canal from the diversion via headworks. Silt excluders to exclude silt coming along with the river flow before the discharge is diverted into the head regulator and hence into the canal in a diversion headwork. Silt control devices. The three components that are employed for silt control at the headwork are scoring sluices or under sluices, silt pockets, silt excluders. Canal outlet. Canal outlet is like a head regulator for a filled or water course. Throughout the outlet, water from a canal enters into the fill course. The water course is a canal owned and maintained by the village irrigation panchayat or by individual farmers. The discharge of an outlet is less than 0.085 cumex. Functions of outlets are to allow required discharge into the fills, to regulate the discharge according to water level in the parent canal, measure the discharge passing out through an outlet. According to Indian standards 7986 in 1976, outlet structure should satisfy the following requirements. It should be strong, simple, with minimum or no moving parts that require continuous maintenance. It should be tamper-proof. The cost should be minimum. It should be possible to divert proportionate quantity of silt. It should draw full discharge even with low or varying head in a parent canal. These requirements are aimed at fulfilling the following functions of an outlet: to allow predetermined discharge into the filled course, to draw proportionate amount of silt, to measure discharge. Location of canal outlet. The irrigation outlets are located on distributaries, sub-distributaries, and minors. An outlet is not located or permitted on large capacity canal or canals kept charged throughout a season like main canal and branches. Escapes are structures constructed on main canal and large branches. The object of an escape is to divert the entire canal discharge into the waste canal. This is required to cut off the supply in the lower reach or if the head regulator is open to admit silty water into the canal. The same is diverted into waste a small distance away from the dam. Escapes are of three types: surplus escape, tail escape, scoring escape. Surplus escape is also called as regulated type. In this type, still of the escape is kept at canal bed level and the flow is controlled by a gate. This type of escapes is mostly preferred nowadays as they give better control and can be deployed for canal maintenance. Tail escape. It is provided at the tail end of the canal and is useful in maintaining the required full supply level in the tail reaches of the canal and hence they are called tail escape. Scoring escape. This escape is constructed for the purpose of scoring of excess silt deposit in the head reaches from time to time, hence it is called scoring escape. That was all for today. Thank you.